How much does bookkeeping really cost for a small business? If you've been searching online, you've probably seen numbers all over the place. $200 a month, $2,000 a month, maybe even more. What is the real number, and what should a service-based business like yours expect to pay? I'm Amber Malone with Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping. We work specifically with service-based business owners, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a straight answer about how much you should be paying. Here's the honest answer most businesses are looking for. For a service-based business doing between $250,000 and $1.5 million in revenue, professional bookkeeping typically costs between $500 and $2,500 per month. Where your business falls in that range depends on several things. How many transactions you have each month, whether you have payroll, contractors, accounts receivable, or if you still write physical checks. When bookkeeping is done well, it gives you something incredibly valuable, a clear dashboard for your business. You know how profitable you can actually be, whether your pricing is working, if your expenses are getting out of control, and how much cash your business truly has. Think about the dashboard in a car. You would not drive across the country with it turned off, would you? But many business owners run their companies exactly like that, without clear financial numbers every month. Good bookkeeping turns that dashboard back on for you. Now here is something most people don't think about. The biggest cost of bookkeeping is not the monthly fee. It is what happens when the bookkeeping is done wrong and goes wrong. We regularly see businesses come to us after trying to manage their own books or hiring somebody who doesn't know what they're doing and is very inexpensive. Months later, their books are a mess, their reports are inaccurate, and the cleanup alone can cost thousands, causing a lot of frustrations. Beyond the cleanup, wrong numbers affect your taxes, your decisions, and your confidence as a business owner. When you don't trust your numbers, you hesitate, you second guess, and you react instead of lead. So is professional bookkeeping the right investment for your business right now? If you're generating $250,000 or more in revenue, spending too much time wasting time going through QuickBooks, or your financial reports simply don't make sense, this is the stage where accurate financials start making a real difference. But I also want to be honest with you. If you're under $100,000 in revenue and your finances are really simple and straightforward, you may be completely fine managing things a little bit further on your own, and that is okay. If you're trying to figure out what bookkeeping would cost for your specific business, the best next step is pretty simple. Visit our pricing page and use our free pricing estimator. It takes just a few minutes and gives you a clear picture of what your business might need. No forms, no sales calls required, just honest information so you can make the best decision for your business. Go to our pricing page to find that link.